Many students believe research is difficult, but in many cases, the real problem is not the difficulty of research itself, it is the mistakes made during the process. And the truth is, most of these mistakes are very common. Once you're aware of them, they become much easier to avoid. So in this video, we are going to look at some of the most common research mistakes and how you can avoid them. The first mistake is starting without a clear research question. Many students begin research by collecting information randomly. They read articles, watch videos, and gather notes. But without a clear question, it becomes difficult to know what information is actually useful. As a result, research becomes overwhelming. The solution is simple. Always begin with a clear and focused research question. Your question should guide everything you do. The second mistake is choosing a topic that is too broad. A broad topic may seem easier at first, but it quickly becomes difficult to manage. There is too much information, too many directions, and no clear focus. For example, a topic like technology is far too wide. Instead, narrowing the topic makes research easier and more effective. A focused topic leads to focused research. The third mistake is relying on unreliable sources. Not all information found online is accurate or trustworthy. Many students use the first results they find without checking the quality of the source. This can weaken the entire research process. To avoid this, always look for credible sources. These include academic articles, books, official reports, and trusted websites. The fourth mistake is copying instead of understanding. Some students collect information and copy it directly into their work. But copying does not show understanding. Research requires thinking. It requires you to interpret information and explain it in your own words. A useful habit is to pause and ask yourself, do I actually understand this? If the answer is no, take time to reflect before moving forward. The fifth mistake is not planning before writing. Many students begin writing immediately after gathering information. But without a plan, writing becomes disorganized. Ideas may be repeated or unclear. Before writing, take time to organize your thoughts. Create a simple structure. Decide what points you want to make. Planning makes writing much easier. The final mistake is trying to do everything at once. Research is a process. It should be approached step by step. Trying to read, analyze, and write all at the same time can lead to confusion. Instead, focus on one stage at a time. First, understand your question. Then, gather information. Then, organize your ideas. And finally, begin writing. Breaking research into steps makes it far more manageable. When you avoid these common mistakes, research becomes clearer and more structured. It becomes something you can approach with confidence. If you would like a step-by-step guide that helps you plan and organize your research properly, my Research Starter Toolkit is available in the About section of this channel. It is designed for learners aged 13 and above, as well as adult beginners who want a clear introduction to research. On this channel, we will continue breaking research into simple, structured guidance. If that would help you, consider subscribing. Because when you understand the process and avoid common mistakes, research becomes much easier to manage.